Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Maraki. Today is a haul video in which I'll be sharing some recently bought shoes, footwear and a bag which I got from High Design. Some of these were bought during the sale and some after the sale ended, and even during the sale some of the items which I liked were not on sale. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So these are all the products I got. There's a sandal from Ink 5, one shoe from Reebok, couple of sandals on sale from Central, and a bag from High Design. So starting with the footwear on sale during Central sale. First I got a sandal from Ink 5. So this one is worth 2190. So these are very pretty gladiator heels. These are elastic, so they fit very nicely and they have chain on the back side, so you don't have to worry about tying anything. So it's very easy to wear, and the sandals are also very perfectly sized, like they're really small height sandals which you can wear for day-to-day basis, and these will look amazing with both ethnic and western, like jeans. If you have some dresses, these go with everything, so very versatile, and having something in black and gold combination will go with everything. So that is why I chose this, and this was on 50% off, so I got it for around 1000 to 1100, which is a great deal I feel. Then the next pair I got from Central again is from Lee Cooper, and this is worth just $12.99 the MRP, and again this was on 50% off. So this is how those pair of sandals look like, completely flat, there is no heel, and there is a kind of transparent mesh, so you can see the skin from within, and it looks really pretty when you wear this. Very comfortable because there are no heels, so you can wear these to your office, to your college, or on like everyday casual use to shopping and all, and they look really nice when you wear them rather than when you see like this. I thought it was a great deal for just around 600-700 rupees, so I got another pair of black sandals. I've already wore them once, like that's how much I like them. Moving on, I have a shoe from Reebok. I bought it from the store itself. So the MRP of this product is 3999, and these are like studio basics, like daily casual running kind of shoes, and I got them in a very nice black and white combination. It has some like copperish golden detailing here. This is how they look, very comfortable to wear. This logo is in like a copperish golden color, and the shoes themselves have black tie, and everything else is in black apart from the sole, which is in white. And this is how the sole of it looks like, very comfortable and flexible, and there's a lot of cushioning as well. So this is perfect if you want to go out for a trip, you want something in which you can walk easily, and to wear casually. These look really nice with jeans, dresses. They give a very smart look, and that is why I chose this. They're not really for high intensity workout, but for casual use. Anyways, I don't do any high intensity workout. Now before we move on to the last pair of sandals, I would like to show you my bag. So this is from High Design, and I got it from their store itself. There was no discount on it. There was sale going on, but this particular product there was no discount, but I like this one the most. And just look at the outer packaging itself. This bag itself looks so classy and so nice. They also have a tag with this. It says the art of reuse. This handmade paper is made from the leather waste. Strong and beautiful, being green extends to everything we do at High Design. The packaging says so much about the brand itself. Then inside that we have a bag like this. Again, kind of like a potly bag inside which the actual bag comes. So this is how it looks from the front, and this is the back of it. There are some more details mentioned which I will not bore you with, but finally here is the bag. It's a sling bag in black and a very nice grayish color. It's something different. It's not gray, and it's like a rose gold mixed with grey, and I really liked it. It's a perfect size, and the best part, it has 3 partitions in it. The middle partition, which is this one, is quite huge, You have some pockets and some zipper inside as well, and there are 2 more partitions on the sides. It is going to keep everything partitioned, and this is how the front side looks, and that is how the back side of it looks like. It has a golden handle as well, so if you want you can remove this band. It is a removable band, and you can use it as an evening clutch too, which is again very nice. I love versatile products, you guys know that. So this is something that I really liked, and High Design comes with, you know, warranty and everything. Their products are really good. I've used their products before, so many of them, and I really like the quality and the fact that they last for so long. Like, they look really new for a very, very long time. There's hardly any wear and tear. There is some guarantee and warranty as well. So this one is worth 5295, and this is from their Kalki High Design range. This is a croco regular one, so which means it is original crocodile leather. So yeah, I really liked it, and I really like the color combination as well. It's very versatile. I can use it on day-to-day basis, and I don't have to change my bag a lot of times. And since I got this, while I was going through the stores, I found a shoe or sandal from N5 which exactly matched my bag. So that is the reason I got this. So this is the box. Cost is 1990, so around 2000 rupees. So this is how it looks. It has block heels and very simple design, something that you can wear on day-to-day basis again. And I just love that the color combination of this sandal is exactly similar to my sling bag, so I can wear both of these together. The first rule of fashion is that you should match your sandals with your bag and your belt, so that is why I bought this. And this is not quite expensive as well. It's within 2000 rupees, very comfortable and lightweight to wear. That is another thing which really attracted me to this product. Even though they look so bulky, this part is very lightweight, which makes it very comfortable to wear and walk in. So those are all the products in today's haul. I hope you liked it. Let me know what was your favorite from all of that I bought in today's video. I am someone who really thinks accessories can make a whole lot of difference to your look, and I like classy and comfortable things to wear, so not just fashionable. I do have a lot of heels, but I usually go to block heels and flat sandals and shoes and things like that, and I like to have quality in my products, so I don't go for local products. Mostly I buy branded products, and if you get them during the sale, you get almost 50% off. Let me know if you guys like such hauls so that I can do more of these for you all. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.